What's up, guys? Just wanted to make a quick little video on the 2006 sv650s. Recently it didn't want to start on me, and I'll put the key in, I'll put the clutch, this will be on, and I'll press the button and nothing will happen. It would literally just be like that. It wouldn't crank, it wouldn't do anything. So you're having the same problem, make sure this little wire by the handlebar is connected. So this one, when I saw it, it was like that, and it's real flimsy, like you could pull it off real quick. It was, so when I connected that little wire back, it turned on like if it was nothing. I took the battery to AutoZone to see if it was good. The battery was still new, so it was this little wire, and it has it on the other side as well. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me see, where is it at? It's somewhere right there. There it is, right there. So you probably can't see it, but it's this one right here. But this one's not as flimsy. That one's a little bit more tighter. But so if your bike is not doing anything, make sure those wires are connected. Make sure everything's connected. Make sure you have this button on this side. Make sure you have the clutch in, because you gotta have the clutch in to turn on this bike. And make sure that kickstand is not down on first. It could be down on neutral, but not on first. So yeah.